Hi friends, today I am here to reach my children through this video in this lockdown period. So today let us learn something about tenses. So as we all know about the tenses, that is the three forms of tenses, that is the present tense, past tense and future tense. So this is what the root of the English grammar. So if we know all these perfectly, then we can easily learn English. So before that, again we have another four types of tenses, that is totally we have 12 forms of tenses. In that, again, this is present tense. In this present tense we have a simple present, and then present continuous and present perfect, and the last is the present perfect continuous. So these are all the four types of simple present tense. So the same way we have for past tense also, that is the simple past, again the past continuous and the past perfect and past perfect continuous, and even we have for the future tense, that is the simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. That is the 12 forms of tenses we have. So I'll explain you with in detail by taking a simple example, that is so let the topic name be here. So we have it is a simple table so that everybody can learn the 12 forms easily. Present, past and future. So here we have a table. It goes like this. So it is simple and it is continuous and it is perfect and it is perfect continuous. Okay, fine. So I'll start with a simple example. Before starting this, you should know that is a verb. Verb is an action word. So let us take an example for a verb, that is say for example eat. So eat, if you take, eat is a present tense. Okay. Then again past tense form for this eat is ate. And past participle form, that is PP, that is we will write like this in the simple form, that is the past participle form of eat is eaten. So these three forms you should be able to know. So that is eat, ate, eaten. And another example you can take, that is speak. If you take spoke, and so before learning this table we should know about the verb, that is verb is an action word. So in this again we should know the present tense and the past tense and the past participle form of a verb. So if you take an action word, that is eat, okay, so the past tense form of this eat is ate, and the past participle form of eat is eaten. So if you take speak, that is the past tense is spoke and the past participle form is spoken. Like that you can take many examples for this verb and you can learn for the three forms before learning this table. So I'll start with the same example, that is I eat. I eat, which is a simple present. So you need to learn about how to change a simple present to present continuous tense. That is, usually the present continuous tense will be having a ing form. That is a present continuous. If you want to change the same sentence, I eat, which is a simple form. So I am eating, right? Fine. So next, the same sentence, by using the same verb, change it into a present perfect tense. That is, I have eaten. I have eaten. A perfect tense will be having a past participle form of the verb. Along with that, has, have, had will be there by indicating this present perfect tense. Usually we use have for the present tense or has for the has or have for the present tense and had for the past tense. So here I have eaten is a present perfect tense which is already which is showing a work which is already completed. And next, if you want to change it into a same sentence into a present perfect continuous, that is again here, as it is a continuous form, the ing form should be there for the verb. That is how you will change. Just look here. If it is a simple present, I eat. If it is a present continuous, I am eating. Present perfect, it is I have eaten. The present perfect continuous is I have been eating. I have been eating. Next, so this is about the present tense. Next we shall move on to the past tense. That is, the past tense form of the eat verb is ate, which I already told you. I ate. That is, I ate. And past continuous is I was eating. I was eating. Was is a helping verb which we are using for the main verb eat. Okay. So which is a past tense form. And again past perfect is, again we have or had or has will be coming, and along with that the past participle form of the verb, that is eaten, will always come for this perfect tense. That is, I had eaten. I had eaten. And the past perfect continuous is I had been eating. I had been eating. So which is already a past tense form. Yes. Next we shall move on to the future, that is simple future. I will eat. I will eat. I don't know whether I will eat or not. So this is the future simple future, that is I will eat. So if you want to tell the same sentence in a continuous form, that is future continuous, I will be eating. I will be eating. And next is future perfect, that is I will have eaten. Again we have a past participle form of the verb. Next is the future perfect continuous, that is I will have been eating. So this is how you need to learn about the different forms of tenses. Take some more examples of this kind only, and you can try learning about these 12 forms of tenses. That is, I'll show you one more example. We shall take one more example, that is write. So write, wrote and written. So If you take this example, try changing the different forms. That is, I write, I am writing, I have written, I have been writing, I wrote, I was writing, I had written, I had been writing, and I will write, I will be writing, I will have written, I will have been writing. So these are all the 12 forms of tenses you need to learn to speak English, so that which is a root of the tree wherein you can learn how to speak English in a easy and better way without doing any grammatical mistakes. Thank you.